the evidence of standard 3.10 for the Experienced Teacher Evidence Guide. The evidence that I will be demonstrating will be the evaluation of a sequence of teaching and learning activities that includes an analysis of the students' achievements of the syllabus outcomes for the program of these sequence and teaching and learning activities. Here's the standard. This is the sequence of teaching and learning activities that I have created or had created. I will actually be using it again this year with my IB Mathematical Studies class because of the impact that I found it had on my cohort group in preparation for their final exam. This series of teaching and learning activities was designed as a Q&A based on past paper examinations over a series of years. After the content of the course was had been completed, I designed this unit as an interactive online series of activities which was to prepare them for the upcoming examination in several weeks' time. It was over the course of a holiday break and several weeks during the term. How it was structured was very clearly around the syllabus. I listed the syllabus guide here with the formula booklets and full details of all the different sections that they needed to revise. And as you can see, it's just embedded here into the website itself. I then set up a Q&A. Now that Q&A was interesting, and in terms of my evaluation, what I will also write about in my annotation is that this was not used by all students. Some of my best students who probably have already developed good study techniques and good revision techniques went off and studied on their own and didn't engage with this much at all, one or two times. The majority of students, who you can see on a first name basis here, and I've left it as a first name basis in the results, who have used it quite considerably. Yuri, Rebecca, Vanessa, Rebecca again, who used it very frequently, actually showed or demonstrated to have the most improved results compared to my predicted mark for them and their final examination mark. Show you how the things were structured. Students would submit, after completing a paper, would submit to me via email or directly via this site a particular question on the topic. I would then answer that solution with a built-in interactive smart pen format. Once that was done, students could view this and watch this at any time. They could open up this up to full screen to watch and listen to the completed solutions specific to that topic and that syllabus outcome.